Today I'm visiting a village called Lochwinnoch. So what's in Lochwinnoch? Well, the clue's in the name. There's a loch. And it's a loch where there's a water sports club just on its edge. So you see a lot of people doing water sports, canoeing, surfing, these types of activities. Don't know how busy it will be today because once again the Scottish summer is pretty grey and wet. But I'm sure there'll be a few brave, hardy souls will be out in the water. Anyway, we'll find out. As you can see, there's a lot of pretty little buildings in the village. Wouldn't mind a wee flat here myself. I think the building behind me has seen better days. Walking along this path to God knows where and attacked with loads of flying insects. I should probably just have went back the way I came. This road I'm on isn't ideal for walking. There isn't any pavements and the verge is covered in overgrowth. And just as I complain about the busy road, turn the corner I'm back in the village. That's good. That was only maybe no more than 10 minutes walk down the busy road. have to say Lochwinnock is such a nice area, so many nice wee houses in it. I would happily move here. I love that wee house. What a narrow little building. I'm assuming it's a church, or was a church, possibly derelict now. That's as close as I get. I'm going to head back to the train station now. I'm going to go via Lochwinnock High Street just to have a look at what it's like. You see that house up on the hill? I think that's where my relatives used to live. So quite often when I was young I would go up there for a visit. My cousin used to keep horses and I believe she taught horse riding. So I had quite a few enjoyable trips up there where I would get my picture taken, sat in a horse, didn't actually ride it, possibly get held by the reins and trotted about a little bit. But in the words of Lester Piggott, I had a go. That's me sitting at the station waiting for the train home. Hope you enjoyed a trip to Lochwinnock today. Cheerio now.